Hi, this is Andy from Make Me a DJ. Today I'm going to show you how to do a really cool warp sustain trick. So that's basically taking some audio, in this case a drum loop, and we're going to bring the sustain down. First thing, import your loop. So in this case we're going to use the aim and break from our last DMB tutorial. We're going to head down to the warp section of the audio. Just click that little icon. That's going to show you the way that it's going to play back. So we're going to select the one with the arrow straight forward, just the single arrow. And this little 100 next to it, we're going to change the value of that. As we're doing that, you can hear it brings down the sustain of the drums. So what we're going to do now is head over to our resampling track. If you don't know how to set one of these up, we've already made a tutorial on that, which should be available on our Instagram. All we're going to do now is arm that track, hit record, and then head back to our drum break. And then we're going to do some automation on the warp section. This is just a cool little extra, and you can make it sound quite interesting if you just play about with it for a while and then take the best bits out of it. A lot of the time I'd use it for little drum edits. Unfortunately, you can't actually draw in automation for that parameter, so it all has to be done live.